What's up guys, it's Nathan, and in today's video I just want to show you how to fix the common issue with using external mics directly. And actually a problem comes when you try to record a video on your smartphone, and specifically when using your external mics. So at first you assume that just plugging your external mic on your smartphone and clicking the record button for your video, your audio quality should improve. But actually this isn't the case, because it absolutely doesn't work directly. So options are either you use a piece of photo splitter, of course at a budget, or use a free and easy method, which I'm going to show you in today's video. So if you don't really want to invest in a piece of photo splitter, then watch this to the end. So to use the external microphone, in this case you're using the lavalier microphone on your smartphone. What you need, you just go to your Play Store, download the Open Camera. So for my case I'm using the Google Play Store. So in the Open Camera we've got the settings. Now you have the ability to shift now your audio source from the camcorder to now the external microphone, of which you're now gonna use the lavalier microphone. So here the audio source, we've got the options, the camcorder, external mic, everything here. So we're now gonna choose the external mic, then go back and now start recording our stuff. So if we try hit something here, like if we let's try hitting, then we're gonna hear how it's now gonna be. This is now what it's sounding. That's it now.